Hey guys, this is our first video on YouTube and you're most welcome to HQ Tech. In today's video, we will find out how to make logo for anything like your channel, your business and some other thing. So what you have to do, you have to just go to Play Store and search Logo Maker 2020 and you will find out first application on it, and this is Logo Maker 2020 3D logo designer, and just you have to install it and open it on your phone and you will see next how it works. Hope you guys like it. If you find it helpful, do subscribe to HQ Tech.